The internet is a goldmine of opportunities for making money online. Whether you're aiming for financial independence or some extra cash, it offers many options for starting an online business. This guide explores some of the best ways to make money online in 2024. We've compiled a list of 7 strategies that can turn your online aspirations into an income stream. For each method, we'll provide insights into the necessary tools, skills, and potential earnings. Before moving forward, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe our channel. Number 1. Create an e-commerce site. Online stores have many advantages compared to offline ones, including wider market reach and lower startup costs. If you focus on a specific niche, your e-commerce business can stand a better chance against rivals. Staying up to date with currently trending products can help you decide which items to sell. To establish a successful e-commerce store, develop a business plan and set up the essentials like inventory, shipping, business licenses, and permits. Number 2. Write and monetize blog posts. If you are passionate about writing, try starting a blog. People create a blog for various reasons: to share opinions and experiences, market products or services, or educate people on a certain topic. Building niche websites will increase your chances of success. So instead of creating a generic food blog, try focusing on one type of cuisine. For example, the Book Satchel is a blog on book reviews and recommendations. Other popular blog ideas include travel, food, health, and lifestyle. Although blogging can be lucrative, it takes time for your blog to become profitable. To speed up the process, be consistent, maintain high quality, and apply tried and true content marketing techniques. Number 3. Find freelance work. Freelancing offers many online income possibilities for various skills and interests. Here are some examples of the most popular freelance roles. Graphic designer. If you are passionate about art, consider becoming a freelance graphic designer. Crafting stunning visuals for logos, posters, and advertisements is among the best ways to make money online for creatives. Web developer. Building websites for clients is a lucrative option if you're skilled in web development. To achieve success, build websites that are both functional and visually appealing. Virtual assistant. Provide administrative support to businesses by carrying out tasks like email management, scheduling, and document preparation. Social media manager. Freelance as a social media manager to help businesses and individuals grow their online presence. Responsibilities may include content creation, strategy development, audience engagement, and performance analysis. 4. Develop websites for a living. The average web developer salary is around $50,900/year. Moreover, the employment of digital designers and web developers is projected to grow by 16% between 2022 and 2032. To help you stand out among competitors, choose a web development specialization, like UX design or back-end development. You can also participate in a coding bootcamp like Flatiron School to enhance career advancement opportunities. Due to the high demand for these jobs, website developers should jump into the industry and start creating websites for multiple clients. 5. Self-publish an ebook. Writing a good book is tough, but the internet makes it easy to bring it to market. If you're a writer who can churn out pages, you can use Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your books on the Kindle store. It's free to publish a book, and you can earn up to 70% of each sale in royalties. Write your book, enter a clear description and the details to be displayed, and upload your manuscript. Set the price and see if it sells. Number 6. Write and publish paid newsletters. Creating and publishing email newsletters is a great business idea for writers. Unlike publishing articles for established publications, running a newsletter lets you own your intellectual property and have full editorial control. Your writing belongs to you, not the platform you're writing for. When running a newsletter publication, write unique content that provides value to your readers. Stay consistent and stick to your publishing schedule. Number 7. Make online courses. If you are knowledgeable in a certain field, and like teaching, try selling online courses. Business, health, and personal development are some of the most sought-after course topics. To easily build an e-learning site, you can use a WordPress LMS plugin. Such a plugin provides a user-friendly way to create online courses, track student progress, and offer a seamless learning experience to your audience. Many LMS plugins also use a mobile-friendly design, enhancing the accessibility and reach of your e-learning platform. I hope you like our video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe our channel and comments down below. Thanks for watching.